out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today we have a Fashom unboxing. So I love doing unboxings and try-ons, as you ladies know. I always like to get your all's opinions. So I have done 3 Fashom boxes, and the last Fashom box was just really disappointing. So when you do these boxes, you can leave a review for individual pieces, and you can also leave a review for the whole entire box. So I left a review for the whole entire box, and I wasn't rude or mean or anything like that, but I did indicate that I just wasn't happy with the box. There wasn't anything in there that I thought that I would even consider wearing, and I just overall wasn't happy. So they reached out to me via email. Customer service is fantastic. They reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to change stylists, which that's fine. Yeah, let's try a new stylist. And they asked if I wanted to do a video chat with my new stylist. So I said, sure, we can do that. So they had sent me a preview, and if you're not familiar with Fashom, you do have a styling fee of $20, and then they will send you a preview of items that are curated for you based on your style profile. So they had already sent me a few of the preview items before I was able to talk to my stylist. So there were a few of those in there that I was like, okay, yes, let's try that. But then there were a couple that I was like, I would like a couple more options. So I reached out to them and said, hey, I haven't done my video chat yet. Can we do that? So we did that, and then my stylist added a few more options for me to choose from. So that was nice to have that option. It did take a little bit longer to get the box, but I hadn't planned on doing the box at all. So this is kind of a surprise little box for me anyway, because I hadn't intended on doing it had they not reached out to me. So thank you, Fashom, for reaching out to me. So let's dig right in. Now that you know all of the backstory. So when you do Fashom, you get a cute little, I'm gonna get my glasses, hello beautiful envelope. And in this envelope, you will have your invoice, you will have a note from your stylist. And this time we have a happy holidays, just wishing, kind of like a Christmas card, wishing you a happy holiday. And then it tells you what's next, how to pack everything up, send it back. You do get a mailer to put all of your no's in, but hopefully this will be a 5 for 5. That would be awesome. So let's see what my stylist said. Hi Cindy, thank you for styling with Fashom again. I hope these pieces will be a bright spot in your day. For that cooler weather starting to settle in up there in St. Albans, I have included a pair of dark wash jeans, sweaters, a sweatshirt, and hints of flirty, romantic, unique details. A few of these pieces are a bit transitional as well, but one of my favorite styles could be the Umgee Dixie top, because it can be worn so easily with the Liverpool Myra straight leg jeans. The Umgee Layla knit sweater would be a perfect match for your favorite jeans, but also with leggings for a comfortable yet pulled together cozy hanging around the house look. Can't wait to hear what you think. Happy holidays, Kristen. So then you have your pricing guide there as well. And Fashom does have probably one of the best discount programs. It is 25% off if you keep 3 or more items, 30% off when you keep all 5 items. They also have a referral program. If you refer a friend, and I will put that referral link in the description box. If you refer a friend, then you get a $10 credit, and then I get a $10 credit. So that always helps with purchasing these boxes and purchasing some new clothes. So there you have it. All right, so let's see what we have here. I can get it out. All right, so let's see if we can get a good look at our bundle here. So here's the pretty little bundle. Lots of nice little collars. So when I did my video chat with Kristen, I did tell her that I'm looking for some pieces that have some unique details. I'm not like on the edgy end of anything by any means, but I do want something that is cute and looks different and is unique, maybe some classics with unique details. So let's see what we have. So the first thing we have here is a really, really cute mustard yellow and white stripe. Looks like a long sleeve, and this is like a dolman shirt, and it does have this band here at the bottom that goes horizontal. I like it. Cute. I'm excited about that. That'll look really cute with jeans. All right, and then we have, and I saw this and I thought it was so unique. I just hope that it fits nicely. It is, this is like a waffle knit. It's like different materials with this mustard and this like rose colored, but look at the floral. Look how pretty that is. I just think it all comes together so cute. So hopefully this will fit well. I really liked the uniqueness of that piece. And then we have a really pretty, soft, blue, cozy sweater. I like the details there around the neck and how it kind of comes down and looks like a little sunshine detail. You might not be able to see it all that well, but maybe you'll see it better when I have it on, like that. Ooh, this is very soft too. Ooh, 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 ooh. Kristen. Okay, so how cute is this? And look at that pretty collar. So this is like a rust orange collar, and then you have these cute, cute, cute black and white sleeves. Isn't that cute? And the black and white goes onto the back too. So cute. Oh, oh, look. And it has a tie front. Kristen, I like it so far. I hope everything fits. All right, and now we have the Liverpool dark wash jeans. I did ask for dark wash with minimal distressing, and I don't really have a preference for straight leg, bootleg, mom jeans at this point. What I have in my closet is mostly, I think I have a pair of skinny, like a pair of, I don't even know what I have. But anyway, I don't have many jeans. So these look like they're gonna be a straight leg, which I'm perfectly fine with. I think those look cute with booties. And they are dark wash with no distressing, which is something else I asked for. I wanted something that I could wear to work. So hopefully these will hit the mark. I'm gonna try these on and try on these sweaters, and here we are with outfit number 1. Look how cute this sweater is. I mean, I love the stripe details, and this is a different material. Well, maybe it's not. I don't know, this feels, I don't know. They are slightly different, but they are both very soft. I love the black and white detail with the burnt orange. This detail I thought might bother me a little bit, but I like the way that it kind of camouflages the little muffin top here. And here's what the back looks like. It's a little bit longer in the back. Very soft, very comfortable. The V-neck does not come down too far. I don't know, I think the sweater might be a keeper. So these are also the Liverpool jeans, and I will pan down here in just a second. These are dark wash. I love the dark wash. They are a straight leg, and I've paired them with a pair of booties. I think it's hard to decide if you like a pair of jeans without putting on shoes with them. So let me pan down and show you what they look like. So here's what we have at the bottom and on the ankle. And I realize that they are a straight leg. I do, however, feel like I'm not sure that I'm loving them. I feel like they fit well around the waist and in the hips, but I'm not sure if this is still a little bit too loose even with the straight leg. I feel like they need to be a little, I'm not looking for a flare or anything like that, but I still feel like they need to be a little bit more snug. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I also only paired them here with a low booty. I'm not sure if I could wear a heel with them or not. Maybe a little bit of a heel. I would have to try that out as well. I do like to wear my jeans with a little bit of a heel some of the time. Let me know what you think. So here is sweater number 2, and I have to say I like this one too. I like this collar. I like that it's bright. It's different. You don't see a royal blue sweater very often. I like the balloon sleeve. I like where it hits here. The sizing is good. I'll let you, here's that little detail that I was talking about. See how it kind of looks like a starburst or sunshine rays or whatever across there? I just think that's a cute little detail. I've just got them paired with the same jeans, the Liverpool jeans. Let me know what you think. Is this collar good for me? This would, I think it would look cute with black jeans, or let's see, could you do leggings? You might be able to do leggings if, you know, if you like to have your rear end covered. And I do prefer to have my rear end covered when I'm wearing leggings. So let me know what you think. Let's try the next one. Okay, next top, same jeans. So I love the color combination in this top. I like the material differences as well. This isn't a heavy top by any means, so it would be a good transition top as well. Fall into winter, winter into spring. I love the detail, the drop sleeve here. And look at this, look how pretty this is. The uniqueness of that print. I just think it is so cute. This is more of like a rayon, and then this is like a waffle knit type of top. I have the front tucked in here. That's probably how I would wear it. But untucked, that's your hemline. But I just think this is so cute. The only complaint, if I had any, is that the sleeves are just a tad bit long, but that's not something that really bothers me. And you really can't, I mean, you could roll it, but I mean, you really can't because of the detail. And there at the sleeve, you do have the waffle knit there and then the floral. But I just think that it's so cute. Take a look at the back. Kristen, you're doing a great job so far. So let me know what you think, YouTubers. I appreciate your feedback. Okay, this is our final top. And again, I feel like Kristen nailed it. She really listened to what I was looking for. I feel like this is unique. The dolman sleeve. I like the vertical stripes and then the change into the horizontal stripes. I did ask her, I told her that this is my problem area. So I feel like she's given me items that help disguise my tummy area. But there's the back. So I enjoy hearing from you. Let me know what you think of this one. I think it's so cute, super soft. Again, a good transition piece from fall to winter and winter to spring. Would look cute dressed up or dressed down. So let me know what you think. I need to know what to keep. There's so many good choices this time. Yay, Fashom, good job. All right, I'll see you in a minute with the wrap up. Okay, ladies, I think we're ready for the wrap up. So let's get the invoice and see how much we're talking here. So the Liverpool jeans are $68, and they also give you the 25% off and the 30% off prices. So I'm going to give you the 25% off prices because that's probably the price that I'll be paying, because I think I am going to keep some of these shirts. So the 25% off is $51. And then we have the burnt orange. The price is $43, and then the 25% off is $32.25. Not bad. This is a white birch Eva striped knit dolman. It is $48. The 25% off is $36. And this is Umgi. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Umgi. Dixie waffle knit top with raw edge. It is $44, but $33 with 25% off. And then the blue sweater is also Umgi Layla knit pullover sweater. It is $45, but $33.75. If I were to purchase everything with the 30% off, the whole box would be $173.60. So not too bad for 5 items that were styled for me. So let me know what you like. Let me know what I'm overexcited about, and I shouldn't be, because sometimes I look at things and I'm like, ooh, that looks really cute. And then you guys might see it and be like, girl, what are you thinking? So let me know if you're thinking, girl, what are you thinking? Because I don't want to go out there looking like a fool. Thanks. I appreciate your input. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and I will see you the next time. I am signing off. I'm Sincerely Cindy Settle. Mwah.